updates. First update is from Tigray Afar border where peace fighting is underway. Ethiopian National Defense Force along with Afar militias tried to enter Tigray. Your second update is about Eritrea, who accused United States and European Union of supporting Tigray People's Liberation Front. Viewers, now let's move to the first update. As I have already reported that Afar regional militia and Ethiopian army units are being deployed to east of Mekelle. Whereas as per latest reports, peace fighting is underway on the Tigray Afar border. Ethiopian National Defense Force sources are claiming that Tigray Defense Force faced heavy losses on this front. They are further claiming that Afar forces and Ethiopian National Defense Forces entered Tigray region through Abala. Viewers, but on the other hand, Tigray Defense Force sources are claiming that they have repelled the attack of Afar forces and Ethiopian National Defense Forces. As per detail, Afar militias and Ethiopian National Defense Force tried to enter Tigray towards Mekelle through Abala. But Tigray Defense Force attacked and did not allow them to enter Tigray region. Because after the attack of Tigray Defense Force, Afar militias and Ethiopian army retreated back towards Abala, where peace fighting is underway. Whereas heavy contingent of Tigray Defense Force has been reached to Tigray Afar border. Viewers, now let's move to the second update. Eritrean Foreign Minister Usman Saleh blamed Ethiopia's Tigray People's Liberation Front for provoking a major war in Tigray. The comment came from Saleh during a pre-recorded message to the United Nations General Assembly in New York. Saleh also accused the United States and its European allies of defending the Tigray People's Liberation Front's illicit and dangerous act of insurrection and marshal all the tools at their disposal to rehabilitate it at any cost. Viewers, you will be remembered in May, the United States sanctioned Eritrea's defense chief over the army's role in the Tigray conflict. Ethiopia has accused the United States of meddling in its affairs after Washington announced restrictions on economic and security assistance over Tigray. Viewers, remember in September, United States President Mr. Joe Biden threatened new sanctions targeting individuals, preventing a ceasefire, and obstructing the delivery of humanitarian aid in war-torn areas. Viewers, these were two updates. For more latest reports and updates, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for your precious time.